Earl Grey tea bonbon with beautiful passion jelly. We will do together. So tasty, two flavor, crunchy and soft. First we have to spray the mold. Golden color and the recipe how to make cacao butter color in the description box below, or write the comment, I send you the link. To make the golden color so bright, after golden we spray with green color. Both of them is make two layer, and they make the golden color is more shiny. So I spray gold, I leave it to crystallize, then I spray green color. 100 gram cacao butter, 10 gram green color, and we spray it. Then we tempering the chocolate after crystallization, and then we fill all the mold. We leave it 50 to 70 seconds just to have light shell, and then we remove the excessive chocolate upside down and have a right temperature of the shell. We start make filling. Here we go. I leave it to crystallization, and this is Earl Grey tea gel. Let's do first passion. 250 gram passion puree, 25 gram sugar, and then 1.5 gram agar agar. We boil for 3 minutes. That's it. We keep aside. After 4-5 hours, when it's set, I bring it back to container. I blend it with hand blender for 1 and 2 minutes, and then I have very smooth passion gel. Here we go. I fill with the squeeze bottle, and then I can feel the all mold. So simple and so easy. Let's do Earl Grey tea jelly. Earl Grey tea jelly is so tasty. All we need, we have 250 gram water, 4 bucket Earl Grey tea. We boil it at least for 3 minutes to reduce it. Then we take only 250 from this water. I added 4 pieces this lemongrass, 20 gram glucose, 75 gram sugar, 6 gram pectin. We mix it with 10 gram sugar. This 6 gram pectin. We mix it well, because if you direct added the pectin, it will make lumps. So it's better to mix it. We added pectin when the juice is 50 degree. When it's 50 degree, I added the pectin and I mix it to boil. Not only boil, we have to have certain temperature, 1.7 Celsius. And this is the right time to add the citric solution. 1.7 degree. I first strain from the seed, and then I will keep, as you see, small container. Later on I will cut it pieces. I fill my mold first with passion gel, and then I have Earl Grey tea, and then I will cover with, or I cap it with the dark chocolate tempering. Here we go. Piece of silver paper or plastic transfer sheet, and then I remove the excessive chocolate. We keep it in the fridge 20-25 minutes. It's depending about the temperature of the fridge. And here we go. We have very easy and tasty bonbon. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmed Yunus.